Hello all, namaste, welcome to my channel Chandasu Gardening and Mood. This is me Chandana. So today you can see right, this is called as bryophyllum in English and in Telugu we call it as Ranapala. So today let's know how to propagate this with leaves. Okay, so it can be propagated by leaves. So I'll show you how to propagate with leaves and so let's get into the video. So this was the plant which I am having right now, only one plant. So we have to just pluck out the leaf. So you can see right, this leaf you have to just pluck it out, like I'll show you right now. Yeah, you plucked it out, right? Now we are going to plant this leaf and I am going to show you how will this grow also, results also I'm going to show you. So now to plant this leaf you should need perfect soil. A perfect soil can make a plant to grow even more better. So the content what I mixed in soil was 30% garden soil, 30% vermicompost, 30% cocopeat and 10% neem cake. So this all makes the soil fertile, and after mixing the soil just leave it for 2 to 3 days and let it become smooth. After that now it's ready to keep a plant. So now I'm keeping this leaf, so you have to just place it like this and also we have to just add soil like this. It's just enough. So many people will cut, you can also cut this and keep many parts of this leaf. It can also propagate like that. So by keeping like this will be very good comparing to cutting this leaf. So we are having only single leaf, so I'm directly keeping this single leaf. So this was the first day after planting. So I'll show you after complete 7 days after planting. So after 7 days I cutted that leaf and I placed, I repotted it in another can, oil can. So you can see right, so this was after completely maybe after 12 days I think. So see, you can see it is completely propagated by leaf. I'll show you perfectly. So yeah, this was the complete propagation of the leaf. So you can see this was the part of leaf which I cutted and propagated it into 2 parts. So you can see the new leaf. From this leaf you can see plants came by budding method. So you can multiple these plants by placing a leaf. So see, the proper care is to first you have to keep it in a proper soil which gives a perfect growth for this plant. So it was being propagated by leaves. I'm showing you. You can see the result in 12 days, or for some people it may take 15 days also. So it slowly starts propagating. So it takes time. You have to just water it regularly and soil should be dry. Soil should be wet, okay, not dry. So please take care properly. So this will grow and you can see small saplings are coming through the edges of this leaf. So this leaf can cure many diseases and it can cure many dangerous diseases also. So it can cure diarrhea also, and also it is bestly used for stones in kidney. Many people will get stones in kidneys, right? So it will decrease it will completely erase the stones in the kidney. It's perfectly a good medicinal plant which you have to also plant. So the result after complete 12 days. if you are liking this video, please like, okay? So let me give a quick glance right now. So first take a leaf of the plant, like if the Bryophyllum plant is having more than 6 leaves, then cut one leaf and just place it in the sand, not sand, in sand. After placing it, just regularly water it and wait until it starts budding. So after it starts budding, then automatically it reproduces new plants from the edges of that leaf. So this was the complete guidance of my Bryophyllum plant. You can also grow by leaves. So I proved it, and also it's a successful method to grow Bryophyllum to enlarge the quantity of this Bryophyllum plants in our garden. And so it belongs to Crassulaceae family, and also this leaf helps in vegetative propagation. And when the leaf comes in contact with soil, this meristem produces a new plant, the leaf of Bryophyllum with a young plant. You can see, right? Yeah, this was when leaf comes with contact with soil through meristem, the new young plant produces from that leaf. So for what this Bryophyllum is used? This Bryophyllum is used for medicinal treatment for earache, burns, and also ulcer, insect bites, etc., diarrhea also. And these leaves are very useful for traditional treatments for kidney stones and also hypertension. And it can also treat piles at home. So if you want to treat piles, if you are having piles, so drink the extract of the leaves twice daily to get an effective cure for piles. So if you are suffering from piles, then take this leaf and from this extract, okay, leaf extract, and drink twice daily to get an effective cure for piles. So I hope you enjoyed and you liked this video. In case, please do like, do comment, do share and subscribe.